Hello, welcome to the Gereybes video. Gereybes are a Middle Eastern biscuit, Syrian shortbread. I hope you enjoy them and I hope it all works for you and that you get a good result. Put the half a pound of the butter in a mixing bowl or in a mixer, and then you put 5 ounces of sugar. And you have to beat it until it's like the texture of mayonnaise. 12 ounces of plain flour. Sometimes when you're rolling them it might be a bit soft, so then you would use another spoon of flour. I'm just going to start adding the flour to the butter and the sugar gradually. After mixing the last amount of flour in, you just make it into a dough so that you can roll it out. Pinch a piece of dough and put it from one hand, but make it firm so that when it is rolled, it doesn't go hollow inside. This is a Syrian way of making gereybes, and that's what I've been doing for the last 50 years. Take a small piece and don't roll it too thin, and make it in a bracelet shape, but not too big, not too thin. And when you're rolling it, you roll it very gently, otherwise it will all crack. An almond and just push it into where you joined the biscuit, where the gereybes was joined, and you just put it on. They get like a pale shade, not white, but not brown, and they're done. That's about 20 minutes. Because they break as soon as you pick them up. Bon appetit. A few spoons at a time. Push it into where the gereybes was joined and bake it that way, then it looks more complete. Is it complete? I wouldn't say it's complete. None of the children like it with almonds, so I do it without. This is a Syrian way of making gereybes, and that's what I've been doing for the last 50 years.
No, more than that.
More than that. So, welcome to the Gereybes video. Welcome to the